You should be maxing every single day you are here on this planet. Yes, you heard it right. Why you did only one workout when you can do two? Why you shoot only one video when you can shoot two of them? Why you approach only one girl on the streets when you can approach four of them? You should be maxing out your days. Why? Because the only time you got is now. You can change past, you can do anything in future, you can do only now. And that's the magical thing where the magic happens. If you do things now, you will feel better later. And if you max out your days, you will see how you are progressing. Just imagine a guy who's giving 100% every single day. He's on the top. And imagine the guy that is giving like 50% every single day. There will not be 100% difference in between them. There will be like thousands of percents. Why? Because progressing on your goals is exponential when you're giving just 50%. I was releasing videos every 2 days. I wouldn't get 2 times slower progress. I would get like 10 times slower progress, and over time it would be maybe like 100 times slower progress. When your top highest priority is working out and you are hitting 2 workouts a day, you will see the difference in between you and the guy who's working out 2 times a week. You must be unreasonable with yourself and try to strive for 10x more of what you are right now doing. If you are shooting videos, shoot 10 of them. If you are working out once a week, work 10 times as me. That's actually the experiment, and I will shoot a video about this. That's the experiment I'm doing right now, that I'm working out 10 times a week. And I want to share my results with you in a different video. Maybe you got the idea now. It's all about decisions. Actually, you know what? You shouldn't think about it that much. You just have to do it. You just have to take the action. Don't overthink anything. What I'm gonna say to that girl? Oh, no. Just walk up to her, say hi, and that's it. That's the progress. Yes, I thought about what I will tell in this video, but I just scripted it. And that's it, and I started recording. That's what you should do. If you feel exhausted and you feel like you can do anything, just don't think about it and go hit that workout, go hit the gym. You should live up to your potential. You know what your potential is? And you may be now thinking, maybe 1,000 push-ups a day? No, you don't know your potential. And it's much higher than you think. It's much higher than 1,000 push-ups a day. Yes, even if you are not... if you don't have body like me, you can do more than 10,000 push-ups a day. And that's right. You may be thinking, wow, that's bullshit. No, that's not bullshit, trust me. I did experiment like 3 months earlier. After I finished my whole exhausting workout, I told to myself, I'll go till I fucking collapse. And I did the workout, I did the whole workout again. It was nearly 3 hours of my time of intense like working out and sweating blood, but I did it. Yes, day after I was completely like unusable. I couldn't move with my arms, but it was 100% worth it. I did not discover my true potential because I think I could have done one push-up more, or maybe I could done 10 push-ups more, or maybe I could done 100 push-ups more. Anyway, anytime you can do just 1 rep more. And that's exactly what I want you to do. Just do 1 rep more when you are completely exhausted. And you will see you can do it. Yes, if you just on the bench press and you can't no more, just finished. You are just shaking like this when you are putting it up. Okay, good. Wait a few seconds and do it fucking again. Because you can do it. Your true potential is not running 10-kilometer run. It's 3 marathons in a row. David Goggins shows this to us. He was able to run ultra-marathon without training. Yes, you heard that right. He ran ultra-marathon without training. And I think every one of us is capable of doing this. It's only about the decision in your mind. Stop caring about the results. Just focus on the progress. Focus on the actions you take every single day. Once you stop focusing on the results, they will take care of themselves. You will not have longer to care about them because you will be progressing every single day. You will be caring about the actions you take and you're gonna take them. So the results will be inevitable. Thank you for watching this video.